Hello viewers, welcome back to Marjana's kitchen, where today we'll be showing you how to make this super creamy classic vanilla cheesecake that won't crack. Ingredients to make your beautiful cheesecake: 500 grams of digestive biscuits, 200 ml of sour cream, 900 grams of full fat cheese, 200 grams of caster sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, 75 grams of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 range eggs and plus 1 extra egg yolk, and a buttered springform cake tin, and a selection of mixed fruits. First, start crushing the biscuits. Empty it into a bowl and add the butter. You can make it with any cookies you desire. You can add some sugar if you like, but I think the base is sweet enough on its own. Pour the biscuit mixture and press firmly with your hands, or you can even use a glass to squeeze it around the edges securely. Pop it into the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Let's mix the wet ingredients together, the cream cheese and the caster sugar, and then blend it to a nice creamy texture. Now I'm going to add some sour cream. This will give it some nice added tang, and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This will bind it together, some vanilla and some eggs. Don't overmix, otherwise your cheesecake will be really dense and not creamy. From here on is the easy part. Just pour in the creamy mixture on top of the cooled crust. Spread it around, smooth it all nice and evenly. And then pop it in the oven for 1 hour at 180 degrees, that's 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After an hour, the cheesecake is ready. It's really important that you let your cheesecake cool in the oven for 1 hour. I also cooled my cheesecake in the fridge freezer for 4 hours. You can simply enjoy this cheesecake on its own, or you can get a little bit more fancy and decorate it like we did. We use fresh fruits and a vegan jelly to finish it off. Enjoy making this recipe and let us know how it went. Thanks for watching Marjana's Kitchen. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.